Okay, so let's look at the upper and lowercase letters. Okay, so want to recognize which one's which, quite important. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Very nice. Now, the thing to understand is that when we speak and spell things in uppercase letters. So Adrian, A-D-R-I-A-N, A-D-R-I-I-A-N, A-D-R. We don't speak the lowercase letters A, B, K, D, E. We don't say them. We only say uppercase letters when speaking. But when writing, we use both. So we're writing, say, my name, so A, uppercase, and then we use the lowercase D, R, I, A, N. A, D, R, R, I, A, N. But when we do spell it, we say the uppercase version. We don't say N, we say N. We don't say we say I. We don't say A, we say A. We don't say D, we say D. And beyond. How cool is that? So it's worth recognizing them. So worth recognizing them. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice. That's the uppercase version. Uppercase on the left, lowercase on the right. But when you want to learn the alphabet or teach it to young people, children for example, good to teach them the phonetical sound of the letter, the lowercase. So A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, D, S, Y, Z, 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 or Z, depending where you're from. Z in the UK, Z elsewhere, but that's American version. So when we speak in uppercase, A-D-R-I-A-N. Very good. Even though the letters we're saying in uppercase could actually be lowercase versions. Like for example, R and R. A-D-R. R, but R. How cool is that? How cool is that, Language Explorers? So it's worth understanding which is which and seeing it so you can recognise upper from the lowercase letters. Upper and the lowercase. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.